Hi friends, welcome to English class. In celebration of being alive by Dr. Christian Bernard. Paragraph 1 to 4, pages 67 to 68. 12th English, Prose, Unit 3, தமிழ்நாடு சமச்சீர் கல்வி. More and more, as I near the end of my career as a heart surgeon, my thoughts have turned to the consideration of why people should suffer. Suffering seems so cruelly prevalent in the world today. Do you know that of the 125 million children born this year, 12 million are unlikely to reach the age of 1, and another 6 million will die before the age of 5, and of the rest, many will end up as mental or physical cripples. Hard words are highlighted, underlined, career, consideration, suffering, cruelly, prevalent, unlikely, cripples. Meaning of the hard words: career meaning job, consideration meaning careful thought, suffering means hardship, cruelly means grievously, seriously, or dangerous. Prevalent meaning common, unlikely meaning impossibly, cripples meaning disables. More and more I near the end of my career as a heart surgeon, my thoughts have turned to the consideration of why people should suffer. Dr. Christian Bernard was a doctor. He was a heart surgeon, cardiologist. As he neared the end of his career, Dr. Bernard was troubled by the thoughts as to why people should suffer in the world. Suffering seems so cruelly prevalent in the world today. So, suffering of the common people in the society seems to be very common in the world today. The following incidents troubled his mind. Do you know that of the 125 million children born this year, 12 million are unlikely to reach the age of 1? As he neared the end of his career, as Christian Bernard neared the end of his career as a heart surgeon, this thought troubled him. One out of 125 million children born in his age, in his time, that year, 12 million are unlikely to reach the age of 1. Another thought troubled his mind seriously was 6 million will die before the age of 5. Another thought troubled his mind was many will end up as mental or physical cripples, people with physical disabilities. Second paragraph. My gloomy thoughts probably stem from an accident I had a few years ago. One minute I was crossing the street with my wife after a lovely meal together, and the next minute a car had hit me and knocked me into my wife. She was thrown into the other lane and struck by a car coming from the opposite direction. Hard words: gloomy, thoughts, probably, stem, lovely, meal, hit, knocked, lay. Underline the hard words. Meaning of the hard words: gloomy meaning depressed, thoughts, ideas. Gloomy thoughts meaning depressed ideas. Probably, of course. Another meaning maybe. Stem, bring forth, or arrives. Lovely meaning pleasant. Meal meaning food. Hit meaning struck. Knocked meaning hit. Lane meaning track or path. His depressed thought, of course. arised from an accident. He had met with an accident few years ago. One minute he and his wife crossed a street after a pleasant meal together in a restaurant. Next minute a car had hit him and he was thrown into his wife. Immediately his wife was thrown into other path, other track and hit by a car coming from the opposite direction. This is one of the great accidents met by Christian Bernard in his life. Third paragraph. During the next few days in the hospital, I experienced not only agony and fear but also anger. I could not understand why my wife and I had to suffer. I had 11 broken ribs and a perforated lung. My wife had a badly fractured shoulder. Over and over, I asked myself, why should this happen to us? I had work to do. After all, there were patients waiting for me to operate on them. My wife had a young baby who needed her care. Hard words underline experienced agony, fear, perforated, fractured. Meanings of the hard words: experienced meaning felt, agony meaning anguish, fear meaning panic, perforated meaning damaged, fractured meaning broken. After the accident, they were admitted in the hospital. In the hospital, he not only felt mental and physical suffering and panic or fear, but he was angry too because he could not understand why he and his wife must suffer. Totally, human body has 24 ribs. Out of 24 ribs, 11 ribs were broken. His lungs was perforated, torn and damaged with holes. There was a severe fracture in his wife's shoulder. He was thinking why all this should happen to them because he had a lot of work to do. He was a doctor, he was a cardiologist, heart doctor. He had a lot of work to do. There were many patients waiting to operate on them. There were many patients waiting for his treatment. And also they had a young baby. Always the baby needs the care of mother. Why all this happened to me and wife was a big question for him. Paragraph 4. My father had he still been alive would have said, my son, it's God's will. That's the way God tests you. Suffering ennobles you, makes you a better person. Underline the hard word ennobles. Ennobles meaning dignifies. His father, Christian Bernard's father, had already died. If Christian Bernard's father had still been alive, he would have said, everything happens according to the will of God. This is the way God is testing you. Suffering makes a person to be more noble. It takes a person to a better place. His father is dead. Suppose if his father is alive, what he might have said is, my dear son, everything happens according to the will of God. This is how God is testing you. Suffering will take you a better place. This might be his father's words if he was still alive. That's it with me today. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.